This is a review of Uberturbine Wheel Cover for Tesla Model 3 Highland. This is for 2024 and 2025. Let's go ahead and look at it. And here is the first one. Let's look at the other ones. And here is the second one. And the third one. And the fourth one. Let's go ahead and put them on and see. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out one by one. And here is the old one. This is the back side. This is the new one. Let's go ahead and put it. It is very easy to put them on. And now we are done with the first one. Let's go ahead and do the second one. And now that's it. And this is the new one, and this is the old one. What about the front side? The old one and the new one. We're done with the second one. Let's put the third one and fourth one. And here is the third one. I need to talk about this. It's because the original one is a little bit smaller. You see, there is this difference. You see. Let's put the new one. And here's the last one. Alrighty, we are done with installing everything. Let's go ahead and check it out from this side. Let's look at the left side. And from the back side. I can definitely suggest this product. It gives the car a good looking style. You can also see the brake system. And here is the front.